So GoHighLevel just released a brand new appointment booking bot system for IG DMs. It can qualify your leads and book appointments conversationally, so no need to send any sort of booking links to your actual leads, all inside of GoHighLevel without any sort of Zapier or external software hookup. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to hook this up to your IG business page so you can qualify your leads and get more appointments. If you're interested in seeing kind of the all-in-one approach where you can, qualify leads via SMS, Facebook, and IG in one, workflow, the video before this shows you how to do Facebook, and the video before that shows you how to do this for SMS. So this video is just going to show you how to do this for your IG DMs, and if you want to add this other stuff in, you can. Or if you're new to GoHighLevel and want to set this up or have, this copy pasted into your account, you can basically partner with me as an affiliate and use my link down below, okay? So if you look at how this is set up, it's very simple. So what is this entire thing? Well, let's say somebody is messaging your actual Instagram business page, right? So here you can see I put hello here. The way I have this set up currently is I put a tag here because, if I hook my actual Instagram up and I get DMs during the demo and it's responding to it, then, that's going to send bots to people that I know, right? So what I'm going to do is the bot is actually turned on now. So I'm going to just say hello, and we will see an actual message over here from the bot. So you can hook this up so there's no tag required, and then it'll just automatically message all the people that message your IG DMs or message you through IG DMs. But if you have people, friends or family or whatever, you may want to create some sort of a tag, right? But this is basically what it does. And if you're wondering what this message is, I work with investors. I help them find off-market deals. And so this is my motivated seller booking bot. And so you can see it's asking me, how can it assist me with my property? So I'm going to just say cash offer. And then you can see here, it's going to start qualifying me, and I'll just show you the function of how it books appointments. But you can see it's qualifying me here first. So this is all done inside of that workflow I just showed you. I'll break it down and show you how it's set up, but it's asking me about the condition. So I'll just say bad. And if you watch the other videos before this, you'll see I just do the exact same thing, same prompt, and it's working great across all these channels. So can you share why you need to sell the property? So I'm just going to say inherited. And this thing is pretty sick. So it should ask me a few more questions here. You can see it's obviously very fast. How soon? So I'll just say 35 days. But very fast, all within one workflow, and no need to set up any external kind of systems or Zapier or software or anything like that. So ideal asking price, I'll just do 350K. And then it should ask me for the address, and then it should start getting into the actual booking. So I'll just say no, it's not listed. And now it should ask me for that address right here. So there's the address. And there we go. And now it's going to, ask if I want to book an appointment. So I'll say yes. And then it should ask me like when I'm thinking of booking the appointment, and then it's all going to just book it right through here. So you can shorten this too. Like if this is too many questions, you can change this. But if you want to have high quality calls and a high engagement rate, I highly recommend texting your leads before your calls and also making sure that they're qualified, right? Or else you're just going to be taking calls just to take calls, right? So when would you prefer to book the call with Andy? So Andy, by the way, is just like my client. And so you can put this as your name, or if you have somebody that takes calls for your business, you could just put their name there. So I'm going to just say tomorrow. And then what it should do is just send me a list of times that, are available in the calendar inside of GoHighLevel. And then we'll be good. So we can just do, 8 a.m. There you go. All right, and then it's going to actually book this as an appointment. If we go to calendars, we may be able to catch it before it's booked, but I think it's about to, it just booked. So there it is for September 2nd, which is tomorrow at 8 a.m. So that was all done, obviously, right through the IG DMs, okay? So let me kind of walk you through how to set this up. It's super simple, and show you how you can kind of adjust the prompt and stuff like that. So the first thing is you have to have GoHighLevel, then you have to have a sub account, okay? In the sub account, you're going to go to settings, then you're going to go to your integrations. And here you need to link your Facebook business page, and the Facebook business page should be connected to your Instagram business page. And so once you link that Facebook page, it'll pull the Instagram page as well. and you need to just click on Instagram and then turn this toggle on and then click save. And that's going to enable you to receive those messages from Instagram so that, these workflows will work. Okay. So once you integrate the Instagram page and you turn on that toggle, you're just going to go into automation and then into your workflows. And then all you do is you click on add new trigger and you just do customer replied. And then if you want to specify the channel, right, that you are, like if you're just going to have one channel like Instagram, you technically aren't going to need to do this filter, because when you choose the actual action here, you have to choose the channel. So if somebody responds to you via SMS, but you have the Instagram bot hooked up, it's not going to like send them a message or anything, right? So you only really need to specify the channel if you're going to have multiple channels in one sub account. So I'll just show you how to do that. So you just, click on the trigger, choose customer replied, and then you'll just rename that. So it says customer replied IG. That way you can identify, which workflow trigger is for each channel. And then you just choose reply channel, Instagram DM. And then I just have a tag here. This is just because I was testing like you saw. And if people start DMing me on Instagram, I don't want a bot to start, responding to them, right? So you need to either figure out a few different ways to organize who should be in the bot, or, who is just messaging you casually. But you can either do it with a tag, or you could do it with some sort of like keyword opt-in. Those are probably the two simplest things. So like maybe they DM your page, template or something. And if they message you template, you tag them, and then now they can talk to the bot, right? So you need to figure out something like that, or else if you don't have a tag, it's going to just run on every customer reply for that specific channel, okay? Then the reason I have a condition here, and the condition is just to identify the workflow trigger, is the customer replied via SMS, customer replied Facebook, or customer replied Instagram. The reason I have that condition is because I want this bot to work inside of just one workflow and to show you guys how to do it. And so it just needs to know which channel these leads reply to so that it can respond on the correct channel. So this one's for SMS, and so this one triggers when this one triggers, right? So the lead responds via SMS, it comes over here, and then the bot runs. If they're via Facebook, same thing, it just comes here, and then it goes down here. And then this Instagram, which is what you're going to do if you're watching this video or you want to do it, then we just have a condition here for the IG, right? And then all you do is you just click on the plus below the branch, right here, and then you just type in AI booking bot, and this is the beta one. This is the one that I'm reviewing right now. It just came out. And then here's where you can adjust your settings. So you have your action name, and then this is where you choose the calendar that the appointments get booked on. So you'll need a calendar there first if you don't have one. And then you have your personality. This is just basically super simple. Like you can just copy this one that I have here. And it basically just, it's the personality. The main thing that dictates the behavior and all those qualifying questions that you saw is the additional instructions. And so here I just have a prompt, showing basically all the qualifying questions I want it to ask and all that good stuff. And then here I just have the maximum number of messages before it goes to an appointment not booked, 25. I just maxed it out. And then a timeout value is basically if there's no response from the actual contact, when will it actually time out, right? And if it times out, maybe you can, do a tag or an internal note or internal notification to, call the lead or whatever it may be, right? Or you just let them exit the workflow. The important thing to note too with Facebook and Instagram, I mentioned it on the Facebook one, it's the video before this, is you just got to be careful. You can't automate certain outbound messages on Facebook and Instagram after a certain time frame. So you may want to collect phone number and email in your prompt, so that, or at least one of them, so that if they time out, you can still email them or follow up via phone call or text. Okay, but that's really it. You just literally do a trick. You link your Instagram page. You turn on the Instagram receive Instagram messages toggle. Create a workflow. You go to trigger. You just do customer replied, and you specify the channel if you're going to add multiple channels. If you're not going to add multiple channels, you don't need to put a channel. And then you just do IGDM just like that. And then you just do a plus right here, AI booking bot. It's this new one. Put in the calendar, put in the personality, the prompt, max out the messages. You could, It's up to you what you want to do with the timeout. And then for the channel, you just choose Instagram and you save it. And that's literally it. So this is a super awesome release by GoHighLevel. Like I said, if you want this snapshot, and I have prompt templates as well, so you can just swap them out for your business. If you have solar business, real estate business, whatever your business is, you could just use my prompt template. That way you know, have a prompt like the one that I have, and you just make it unique to your business. You can check out the affiliate link down below for GoHighLevel. And if you want to see, you know, how to do this for SMS or Facebook, just check the videos before this. And yeah, hope this was valuable for you. This is super awesome. It makes it very, very easy to get going with AI, and it's actually good. So great job from the GoHighLevel team. I'll see you in the next video, and talk to you then. Bye-bye.